Na senior mass education officer social welfare Gomoa West mesnemu Douglas ansa nesemo de atodwa o se de Gomoa West mabro no bi nipa no bi mayaka yaka de toto mo na ma ne mo so pan yi nte ho ahia se mpanyefo betumi aso ye gina bra ne hyehye onfangwa kwa mo na nkontia. Senior mass education officer yo apam social welfare nensembia wode atodwo sese de emofrankuma watch won mo femu ade won mu yenkuru tujuma na bie mo soso no emperanye sensifa ma ne moso no ade bi ha adwen pan yi nto dade srefutu ma batan se wo ni enko wo ema no ho se de bia sana ma we nyina no etu betumi etwa
early marriage, rape, teenage pregnancy, child labor, child abuse. I can say a lot. Child labor. All these things are going on in the Gomoa West, not Takwa here alone. Gomoa West. Clearly, I remember me obi the iron crash in the bane manajo. Mami with the minna ni 2 and more debia and I join me Juhonomo Emma me arrest. So what I say. And you know, Bruce is interested. No matter be brave or honomo. Obi or walk around who no matter child custody. Another one. Child custody. We are Geneva. Not na odnadwaneko your trafficking near dinyana womb.
Na no we see Maria Charitable Trust Foundation one mo panyini Maria Lemon and sweka de kan ho say
this is that the community should work more with the gender equality, and that means it will help women maybe to get as an employee somewhere or a salesperson or something like that, so the money turnover will come back to the area, and I think we see an increase of jobs since we started 5 years ago with these seminars.
The Krakure Mono, Kibumufo bin so welcome watakwa, the chat was say.
Na Obano, Bro Sarano, ne dachia, Maho Kwana Sebe, and a more to them emma. Sasson and member so what I won't carry pobi. No way you in prison. And see, Dam Chachana Babua, my Yankasa, Yanya Fahudi, Naya Tumponso.
Ababwa papa, Yama Fran. Sine wonanto basa na meku bobo ade no aboa ma fra me sese ye fra won a ade chi na de say ye fra won a wo mo ba ye nche me yin wudin